Go to Recipe Template and add a new template. Enter recipe name and enable checkbox of batch. Select recipe category and enter batch quantity and unit. Select product field help to add ingredients under the batch recipe. Once ingredient is selected, then enter the quantity and unit measurement below the product name. Multiple ingredients can be added under the batch recipe. Batch recipe can be a combination of raw ingredients or existing batch recipes. Click on Create Recipe to set up the batch recipe for location using the recipe template. Select Batch Category, Yield %, link the Batch Template checkbox and set up a batch. Now switch another restaurant location to set up the same batch through recipe template. Click on Create button and check whether all ingredients package available to the restaurant location or not through thumbs up or down. To allocate the package, click on Thumbs Down button. Select Batch Category, Yield %, link the Batch Template checkbox and set up a batch. Check under Recipe List that batch recipe is set up at both restaurant locations with the help of Template feature.